Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into Kimberly-Clark's first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Kimberly-Clark, known for its trusted brands like Huggies and Kleenex, has just released its Q1 2025 results. Let's delve into the details.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kimberly-Clark reported net sales of $4.8 billion for the first quarter, which is a 6% decrease compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The decline in net sales was primarily driven by currency impacts and divestitures, including the exit from the private label diaper business in the U.S. However, the organic sales decline was just 1.6%, indicating that the core business remains relatively stable. The adjusted EPS came in at $1.93, slightly above the forecasted $1.89, despite a 4% decrease from the previous year.
And what about profitability?
The adjusted gross margin was 36.9%, down 20 basis points from last year. This slight decline reflects the challenges in the operating environment, but Kimberly-Clark's effective cost management has helped mitigate some of these pressures.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, how did Kimberly-Clark perform in terms of operational efficiencies?
The company reported an operating profit of $769 million, with an adjusted figure of $844 million. This reflects a 6% decrease from last year, largely due to currency translation impacts. However, their strong productivity momentum is evident as they continue to optimize costs and drive profitability.
Looking ahead, what does the future hold for Kimberly-Clark?
The company has adjusted its 2025 outlook to account for potential incremental costs from geopolitical uncertainties. Despite these challenges, they expect organic sales growth to outpace market averages, and they remain committed to their long-term growth strategy.
Segment performance and strategic initiatives. Let's break down the performance across different segments. How did each segment fare?
In North America, sales were $2.7 billion, a 3.9% decline, mainly due to divestitures. The International Personal Care segment saw an 8.9% drop, while the International Family Care and Professional segment decreased by 7.7%. Despite these declines, Kimberly-Clark is focusing on innovation and enhancing their value spectrum to drive future growth.
What strategic initiatives are they implementing to counter these challenges?
They're investing in their Powering Care strategy, which emphasizes innovation across the good, better, best value spectrum. This approach is designed to win consumer trust and gain market share, even in a challenging environment.
CEO insights and company response. What insights did CEO Mike Hsu provide in the earnings report?
Mike Hsu highlighted the company's progress on their Powering Care strategy, emphasizing their commitment to long-term growth despite the evolving external landscape. He expressed confidence in their ability to manage costs and unlock long-term potential, thanks to their strong productivity momentum.
How is the company responding to the current challenges?
Kimberly-Clark is leveraging its innovation and productivity to maintain a competitive edge. They're focused on offsetting increased supply chain costs and continuing to deliver value to consumers, which positions them well for future growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Kimberly-Clark has navigated a challenging first quarter with resilience, thanks to strong cost management and strategic initiatives. Their adjusted EPS of $1.93 beat the forecast, and they remain focused on long-term growth despite geopolitical uncertainties. John, any final thoughts?
Kimberly-Clark's ability to adapt and innovate in a dynamic environment is commendable. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and cost management efforts as key drivers of future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kimberly-Clark's performance in the comments below.